Welcome to another NCCD360 tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to review and monitor an individual education plan, or IEP, as well as individual adjustments recorded in NCCD360. From the NCCD360 homepage, use the search bar to find and select the relevant student. Once you have opened the student's profile, scroll down to the Evidence section, click Review and Monitor, and then select Plus Evidence. Choose Observation as the evidence type. Then, under Adjustments to be reviewed, open the drop-down menu and select the IEP you would like to review. The IEP and its goals will appear on the screen. For each goal, select the appropriate flag to record whether it has been achieved, partially achieved, or not achieved. You can also add a comment under each goal to provide further information about the student's progress. The review date will automatically default to today's date. However, you can amend the date if needed. Once you have completed the review, select the checkbox to confirm whether the adjustment has met the student's goals, and then click Save and Close. If you would like to view the reviewed IEP as a PDF document, return to the Adjustments section, click on the IEP, then click on Export. You will then be able to view and download the IEP with the completed review information included. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you confidently review and monitor your students' IEPs and adjustments in NCCD 360.